Alright, how to play with this activity. First, parent have to ready two item which is heavy and light item. Second, ask child to ready their hands. Then put each item for each their hands. Then ask them to tell which one is heavy and which one is light. The reason for this activity is first to enhance cognitive ability because by doing this activity, children will use the cognitive to think which is heavy and which is light. Then based on that turn, it will improve their sensory discrimination. Sensory discrimination, which is they can discriminate which one heavy and which one light. Which hand? Alright. The third is to improve their language development. Language development means when parents ask to say which one is heavy and which one is which one is light, then that's motor planning to say light or heavy. That thing will improve their language development.